A. Apple, sweet and a little crunchy. B. Banana, sweet and soft. C. Cherry, sweet tart, thoda kata pui mitha. D. Dragon fruit, mild sweet, light flavor. E. Elderberry, tart, zara kati. F. Fig, sweet and chewy. G. Grapes, sweet or sweet tart. H. Honeydew, light sweet and juicy. I. Indian fig, prickly, pear, mild sweet watery. J. Jackfruit, very sweet and fruity smell. Kiwi, sweet plus tangy, kata mitha. L. Lemon, sour, bo hot kata. M. Mango, sweet and juicy. N. Nectarine, sweet plus slightly tangy. O. Orange, sweet plus citrus tang. P. Pineapple, sweet plus sharp tangy. Q. Quince, sour and hard, usually cooked. R. Raspberry, sweet tart. S. Strawberry, sweet plus slightly tangy. T. Tangerine, sweet juicy. U. Ugly fruit, sweet tangy, like orange plus lemon. V. Voavanga, sweet sour, kata mitha. W. Watermelon, sweet and watery. X. Xigua, Chinese watermelon, light sweet juicy. Y. Yellow passion fruit, sweet tart, aromatic. Z. Zucchini, mild taste, bo hot, light flavor.